ito po, ang gaganda ng mga ano natin dito. Sakyan. So, ay wow! Merong Oman Air na ano, airplane. I'll check this guy. This is, I would like to give this one to Rocky. Okay, I'll check. Here. So kids. So much here. And there is a balloon there. If you have a birthday, so please come over here. So many toys around here. Okay, so look at that. Hi Liton and hi. Hi Elias. Hello. Doing good? Oh, look at that. Greet your parents. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh. She also Bangladesh.
Oh, say hi to your parents.
Good, Alhamdulillah.
You.
Alhamdulillah.
So guys, they are busy. So thank you.
Thank you.
Look at that, my friends. They're so friendly. So Elias and Liton are so very friendly. Oh guys, there is a baby toys here. Yeah. Guys, there is a hat. Bye for now. Bye. Thank you.